A lot of women have anxiety about pelvic exams, and understandably so. Whether these be well women exams or maybe they're exams that your OB provider has to perform during the pregnancy and then during labor and delivery. And if you're fearful of pelvic exams, there's a few things that you can do in order to make it go more smoothly for you. Number one is understand that they are a necessary part of life in certain circumstances, and they will be a little bit uncomfortable and in some cases a little painful. And if you go into it with that expectation, then I think it's easier to handle because you're not going to be caught off guard by the fact that it's uncomfortable. Also try to breathe and relax. Take slow, deep breaths and do what you can to relax your legs and your pelvic floor muscles, because a lot of times a woman's instinct is to tighten up and just lock those knees together and tighten the pelvic floor. But what this does for the healthcare provider is it makes it harder for them to perform the exam and may actually prolong the amount of time it takes to perform the exam, which in turn is more uncomfortable for you. So do what you can to breathe and relax. And the second piece to that is to distract your mind. Just allow your mind to go somewhere else. And my suggestion would be to think of your favorite vacation spot and imagine all the smells, sights, tastes, sounds, touches of that environment, and take yourself mentally to that place so that you're not in the current circumstances that you really don't want to be in at that point in time. I also suggest talking with your healthcare provider before they start the exam and ask them if it's possible to use lubricant. There are some tests or exams that can't be performed using lubricant because it can affect the accuracy of the test, but under most circumstances it's totally fine, and that can help to reduce the amount of discomfort you feel. And lastly, I suggest bringing a support person with you to the appointment. Have them stand by your head and hold your hand, because I'm a firm believer that you can get through anything if you're holding someone's hand. Good luck with everything, and if you have more questions in the future for me, feel free to ask them on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Intermountain Moms, and recommend us to your friends and family too.